When it comes to connecting your devices, Monoprice HDMI cables deliver dependable performance you can trust. Whether you're hooking up a set-top box, disc player, or portable HD device, these cables stand out for their solid build and clear signal transmission. Monoprice backs every cable with a lifetime warranty, so you can buy with confidence knowing the company stands behind its products. This guarantee ensures peace of mind, especially if you rely on your cables for critical connections or professional setups. Designed for both stationary and portable high-definition devices, these cables meet rigorous quality standards without charging a premium. Monoprice's commitment to rugged design and strict quality control means you get durable cables that last, without breaking the bank. Users across the U.S. have praised these cables for their reliability and versatility. For example, one customer replaced their DJI cable on a Ronin RS2 gimbal and found Monoprice's option to be durable and perfectly functional, even if it wasn't a 90 degrees angle connector like the original. Another user needed a quick, straightforward solution to test HDMI output from a Raspberry Pi. Monoprice's cable worked flawlessly, proving it's a simple yet effective choice for tech testing and everyday use. If you own a portable monitor, finding the right mini HDMI to mini HDMI cable can be tricky. One reviewer shared that this Monoprice cable was the only option they found on Amazon, and it met their needs perfectly. The bendable plastic design adds convenience without sacrificing durability. What you get with Monoprice HDMI cables is a blend of quality, affordability, and assurance. These cables perform consistently, making them a smart pick whether you're a casual user or a professional needing reliable connections. If that's you, someone who values solid performance backed by a lifetime warranty, Monoprice HDMI cables are worth a look. Try one when you're ready to upgrade your setup with confidence and ease.